to unravel the secrets of motion? Let's dive deep into Class 9 science. First up, what exactly is motion? Spoiler, it's everywhere around you. Motion means change in position. Imagine you're walking to your favorite cafe. Motion is classified mainly as uniform and non-uniform. Can you guess the difference? Uniform motion means moving at the same speed, like a train cruising smoothly on a track. While non-uniform motion is all about speed changes, slowing down or speeding up like a sprinter. Next, let's talk distance versus displacement. Two words often mixed up, but totally different. Distance tells how much you've traveled, while displacement is the shortest path from start to end. Speed is how fast you go, but velocity adds direction. So velocity is speed with a GPS. Average speed is total distance divided by time. Easy math for your exam, right? Instantaneous speed? That's your speedometer's reading at any exact moment, like a snapshot. Acceleration shows how your velocity changes, like when you press the gas pedal in your bike. Positive acceleration means speeding up, negative means slowing down, like hitting the brakes. Graph time, distance time, and velocity time graphs help you visualize motion like a pro. Distance time graphs slope up for motion and flat for rest. Can you spot rest times in your day? Velocity time graphs show velocity changes. Area under curve gives displacement. Science with magic. Finally, circular motion, moving in a circle like a Ferris wheel ride, exciting and smooth. Radial acceleration points inward, keeping you glued to your fun ride while you turn around. You've got a strong grip on motion now. Ready to ace your science class? Hit like, share, and keep exploring the amazing world of physics with us.